What did the British drug dealer say to the British character actor? That's Michael Caine. That's Michael Caine. Do you get it? Don't tell me you don't get it. You get it. Of course I want to touch those rocks. I would love to skip those rocks. But I know if I touch them, I might get bubonic plague. You know how old those rocks are?
Bubonic plague.
And those rocks have seen some shit. Those rocks have seen black and white TV. Those rocks are old, alright? I'm not surprised it doesn't say whites only on those rocks. Yeah, they segregated rocks back then. That's Michael Caine.